Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your very own mobile car wash business in the USA. This is a high-demand side hustle that you can start with minimal investment and earn extra money every week. Why mobile car wash? People in the USA love clean cars, but often don't have time to go to a traditional car wash. That's where mobile car wash services come in. You bring your tools to their home or office and wash their car on site. Convenient for customers, profitable for you. Tools you need: car shampoo wax, waterless car cleaning kit, vacuum cleaner for interiors, microfiber towels, brushes, portable bucket spray bottles, step-by-step setup. Decide your service area. Target neighborhoods or offices with high car density. Pricing: basic wash $20, $30. Full detail $50, $70, depending on car size. Marketing: Instagram, Facebook local groups, Google My Business, flyers. Schedule appointments. Use simple booking apps or WhatsApp. Deliver excellent service. Customer satisfaction is key for repeat clients. Tips to grow: offer monthly subscriptions for regular car cleaning. Add small services like tire shine, interior deodorizer. Ask satisfied clients for referrals. Conclusion: so, if you want a side hustle or small business in the USA that's flexible, low cost, and high demand, mobile car wash is a perfect option. Start small, build your reputation, and watch your business grow.